1. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is not visible from the moon with the naked eye, contrary to popular belief. Astronauts have confirmed this. 2. Honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. 3. Venus rotation. A day on Venus, rotation on its axis, is longer than a year on Venus, its orbit around the Sun. Venus rotates extremely slowly. 4. Banana as a berry. Botanically speaking, bananas are classified as berries, while strawberries are not. 5. DNA storage. In 2012, scientists successfully stored data in the form of DNA. 1 gram of DNA can theoretically hold up to 15 petabytes, 215 million gigabytes of data. 6. Oldest living organism. The Pando Forest in Utah, USA, is considered the oldest living organism on Earth. It's a clonal colony of quaking aspen trees and is estimated to be over 80,000 years old. 7. Square watermelons. In Japan, watermelons are grown in glass boxes to take on a square shape, making them easier to stack and store. 8. Eiffel Tower expansion. In hot weather, the Eiffel Tower can expand, causing the metal structure to grow in height by up to 6 inches. 9. Cleopatra's lifetime. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than she did to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. 10. Mount Everest moving. Mount Everest is still growing. It rises about 4 millimeters each year due to tectonic plate movement. 11. Octopus intelligence. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. 12. Mars's blue sunsets. Sunsets on Mars appear blue because of the thin Martian atmosphere scattering sunlight differently than Earth's atmosphere. 13. Antarctica's dryness. Antarctica is the driest and windiest continent. It's also the highest, coldest, and contains about 70% of the world's fresh water. 14. Kangaroos and left-handedness. Almost all kangaroos are left-handed. They use their left forelimb more frequently and strongly than their right one. 15. Human saliva. Human saliva contains a painkiller called opioorphin that is 6 times more powerful than morphine. 16. Largest desert. The largest desert in the world is Antarctica. While we typically associate deserts with hot sand, a desert is defined by low precipitation, not necessarily high temperatures. 17. Cows and magnetic alignment. Cows tend to align themselves with Earth's magnetic field when grazing or resting. 18. The hummingbird's memory. Hummingbirds are capable of remembering every flower they have ever visited and how long it will take a flower to refill. 19. Jupiter's composition. Jupiter is mostly composed of hydrogen and helium, but it lacks a solid surface. It's a gas giant. 20. Taj Mahal's color change. The color of the Taj Mahal changes with the sunlight. It appears pink in the morning, white during the day, and golden in the moonlight. 21. Weird laws. In Switzerland, it's illegal to flush the toilet after 10 p.m. in an apartment building to keep noise down. 22. Infinite hotel paradox. The Hilbert's paradox of the Grand Hotel is a mathematical thought experiment that explores the concept of infinity in a hotel with an infinite number of rooms. 23. Raining diamonds on Neptune. Scientists believe that it rains diamonds on Neptune and Uranus due to the extreme pressure and high carbon content in their atmospheres. 24. Giraffes and blue tongues. Giraffes have blue-black tongues, which may help prevent sunburn during frequent sun exposure. 25. Moon's slow retreat. The moon is slowly moving away from the Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. 26. The Library of Babel. The Library of Babel is a concept introduced by Jorge Luis Borges, describing a vast library containing every possible 410-page book of a certain format. 27. Fibonacci sequence in nature. The Fibonacci sequence, a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the 2 preceding ones, is prevalent in nature, from flower petals to pine cones. 28. Glowing mushrooms. There are bioluminescent mushrooms that can glow in the dark. One such species is the Mycena lux coeli, found in Brazil. 29. Dolphins' names. Dolphins have names for each other. They use a unique whistle to identify and communicate with their peers. 30. The speed of thought. The speed of thought is estimated to be about 120 meters per second, or 432 kilometers per hour. This is the speed at which electrical signals travel in the brain. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon without fail for more facts.